It's a cauldron full of great Halloween crafts today. I hope you enjoy. We begin right now. Using a glass jar, we had pasta sauce in. Put my eyeballs in a jar, and this is how much water the jar will hold. I am going to attempt to turn my water a little dirty. Let's put barely a little tiny dab on the tip of this brush. Mixed it in. Let's not make any messes. I'm bad for that. Knock over an open can or jar of paint. Okay. Ooh, that kind of looks spooky, but it also looks a little too dark. Let me think about this. I dumped all the water out and left just barely a couple of drops in the bottom, put new water in, and it's got the slightest tint of dirt. Trying to make a screw-on lid look gold. Ha! I made these potion bottles and jars in last year's Halloween videos. I'll be sure and link that below in the description box. Using this moment to show off my favorite Halloween piece. I actually painted this 26 years ago. Using a Dollar Tree cutout, I made up an orange, just added some black to some peach, painted my pumpkins, added 2 little blocks so that it would stand up, painted the outside of I guess this is a coffin, and then added little Dollar Tree Scrabble pieces. I kind of went a little crazy. You'll see in the next couple DIYs that I was really enjoying the Scrabble pieces. But didn't this turn out so cute?
Trick or treat!
Using a popsicle stick, I am going to glue this on and make a cat collar for my black cat. Just a Dollar Tree, maybe Dollar General cutout. I know I didn't pay over $1 or $2 for it. And I painted it and put the little collar on him. Ah, poor Salem. He has glue in his eyes. Kind of makes me think of Phoebe's smelly cat. Having 2 of these wood ghosts on hand, I painted one of them white and the other one black and lined them up so the ghost would have a shadow. Another wood cutout, this time a bat. I am obviously going to paint it black. It needed some dimension, and since I always use white on all this, I decided to use this peachy orange color. And let me tell you, I love it. Just gave it that little spooky glow. This bat, too, I felt needed something. Cue Scrabble pieces. Again. Freaking adorable, don't you think? We made this a couple of years ago. Take a frame, glue a doily to the inside of it, add yourself a spider, and now you have something great for a bookshelf, a tiered tray, or even on your counter in your kitchen. Here is another crazy easy project. Get yourself a pack of plastic spoons from DTree. I believe there's 4 in this pack. And draw eyes and a mouth on them. Suddenly you have plant ghosts. Dabbing a little green around the edges gives them jungle fever. So I have an idea to take this skeleton and have him holding this boo plaque. Let's see how it looks. Gave Boo a little bit of black detail. I mixed truffle brown chalk paint with a little bit of water, kind of make an antiquing wash. I decided I needed my skeleton to be wood. I know, crazy, but that's what happens at the junk shack, baby. I applied the stain to the front and back. So, this one, it's kind of cutesy. Or this one's a little more scary. I think if I use this one, I need to accentuate the skeleton a little more, maybe with some white. Ooh, let's see how that looks. I did this on both sides of the skeleton. Sometimes your guts get blocked so you can hold your boo. I think all boos want to be held like a guitar. Just look how happy he is. Oh, what to do with these hands. I piddled around with them, came across the basket at this velvet. I got it for nothing. I think I'm gonna pile it up, try to make it look pretty in here. Maybe one-handed. Ha, ha, ha. One-handed. What if the hands were kind of coming out of the velvet like that? No super glue needed. I don't know. I'm going to play with this idea. Imagine the basket painted black or dirtied up with some black. Good. Keep that in your mind because I'm not going to do it. With this little wood cutout, I am trying to keep the word wicked in the wood kind of tone, and I will paint the hat black or stain it with a black, just like I am. This is just watered down truffle paint. And then I'm going to paint the moon. Here is the sign with the watered down black paint on the hat. I like how the black is kind of running into the brown. Now to paint the moon. I did not like how the brown was running into the moon. In the end, I did end up using 2 coats of the yellow. I think this little wicked sign would be adorable hung in the middle of a wreath or even used as a shelf sitter. Bonus footage. Tear apart your pick your poison sign you can get from Dollar Tree. Get yourself a skeleton and look at how he passed. It'll kill you every time. I would like to take a moment to thank all of my subscribers for watching all of these videos and putting up with me. I would especially like to thank all of the people who like and comment on each of my videos. It is really making YouTube see, hey look, this girl's doing something over here. Again, thank you guys. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.